paddleboarding Sisters Creek. I'm paddleboarding around Boot Key, which is right there. And there's a back trail through there. I just don't want to do it by myself. I'm gonna keep going, try to get to Sombrero Beach. Made it to the ocean side. So today I've been from the Gulf to the Atlantic and I'm going to keep heading out and hopefully I can get off somewhere on the beach. The Sombrero Reef is straight out at Sombrero Reef. It's about 3.5 miles from here. Great snorkeling. Never been this close to a cormorant. I made it. That's all public. Hello, Mr. Pelly. Sombrero Beach. Ready to have a wedding on the beach. Beautiful spot. Sunset in the background. All right, I'm just about back to the harbor. Nice afternoon before the big blow comes tonight. And tomorrow, 30 knots. Bliss is right up there somewhere. That's where I'm headed. Paddling back to Bliss. There she is. Made it back to the boat. Paddleboard's all put up because we're having a big blow. It's supposed to get up to 30 knots tomorrow. I'm bringing Boot Key Harbor. Pretty amazing place. Paddleboard to a beach. Beautiful sunsets every night. Love it here.